I got a question for you guys. Yes, does henna block out water from absorbing into your hair strands? That has been trending lately. It definitely has. It's a pressing question that a lot of you have been asking and wondering about, and there are different opinions on it and kind of conclusions, and I want to talk to you about that today. My name is Khadija. Welcome to the Henna Suk channel, and I specialize in henna, natural hair color, and Ayurvedic hair care, and I work with a lot of natural hair care professionals in the industry, and we've been discussing this, and I want to share some of my findings with you. Moisture refers to the amount of water that is in your hair. Did you know that humidity plays a big part in how moisturized your hair feels? Yes, it really does. The weather is huge in that, and I noticed that especially because we started Henna Suk in Montreal, then we went to Toronto, and then we came to Maryland. So the level of humidity and seasons in general really affect henna. It really does, and it affects your hair. And fascinating how it affects the results and the way it sticks to the skin and the hair and just all of those things. And observing that over 20 plus years has definitely made me learn a whole lot. And I am continuing to learn every single day, which is important. We all have to be open to learning new things because we don't know it all. I don't know it all. So people often call their hair moisturized, but when people say this, they actually mean that their hair is conditioned. So that coarse, brittle feeling that hair gets that makes it feel dry, not because of how much water is in there or how moisturized it is, but really it is the fact that it needs to be conditioned, which is really interesting, right? It can be really confusing. There are definitely some videos I want you guys to check out because there's a lot of great information about that we definitely need to dive deeper into. So henna protects the hair, it strengthens the hair strands, and it does condition the hair. It does not moisturize the hair. It does not add water to your hair. Some people feel that henna can possibly lock out the water from your hair because it's coating, the hair shaft. Over time, repeated application can also inhibit your hair from absorbing the water from like the air, for example, which is moisture. Moisturized hair is pliable and holds on to moisture for a longer period of time and does not break easily with friction. Henna molecules seal in the cuticles. This is why the hair is left feeling stronger and full of shine. But because the henna molecules are much larger, it can also minimize moisture from reaching the hair cortex, therefore leaving the hair dry. So tips to avoid dry hair when using henna. Limit the frequent of applications. Don't do henna every single week. No, do not do that. We recommend that you space that out every 4 to 6 weeks. That is going to be the best. Number 2, focus on deep conditioning and moisture-rich hair regimens. Which reminds me, you need to check out Plan Your Regimen right on our website at hennasuk.com. There's some amazing hair regimen plans for you to follow. Number 3, and as much as I love henna, if your hair is not thriving, you gotta give henna a break. You're gonna have to take a step back from that and maybe revisit at a later time. But there are so many Ayurvedic herbs that you can use that will strengthen your hair. So just head to our website for more information or watch one of our really great videos that we have here on hair strengthening that we don't even use henna, and you can get amazing, gorgeous, beautiful results. And then that's okay. As much as we love henna at Henna Suk, we want you first and foremost to be happy and your hair to be happy, because if your hair is happy, you're gonna be happy. So you can definitely have so many other options with Ayurvedic hair care, and I really want you to explore those. So first, honestly, start with Plan Your Hair Regimen. It's gonna be a great guide for you, and it'll really help you get started and get a really good foundation. And don't forget, you don't wanna miss our videos, so hit subscribe, hit the notification button, because we have more videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday, and we got a bunch of stuff planned out for 2022 already. So stay tuned. I can't wait to see you, and have a great day.